Right now, we dey here the tanda with Sabina Mrs. I'm your Chikere. We be the Oga Patapata when it's stand gidigba, but not be the real Oga Patapata we dey for Sports Commission. But when you see permanent secretary, the day the Oga Patapata they come up, permanent secretary now they go until he or she retire. She now the permanent secretary for Edo State Sports Commission. Madam, we salute you, we greet you, and we want make you chook mouth for wetin concern sports for Edo today and how the matter they be since this year. We don't want to ask you for the past years. We want to ask you since this year. How now they prepare they come since how now don't begin do many things. How now they prepare for tomorrow till this government go waka by next year come out the plans we wanna get for grand. Madam, we greet you again. You go tell Edo people, tell Naija people. You yourself again make them know you proper.
Well done, my brother. I throw a salute to. I greet you plenty. My name is Sabina. I'm a main organizer Chikere. I be the permanent secretary for Edo State Sports Commission. We dey gidigba for sports for Edo State. Our government dey gidigba for sports for Nigeria. We want bring back sports to wetin e be before. We want take back sports. Everybody know for Nigeria say sports belong to Edo State. For some time now, Edo State be don dey sleep, but we don wake up. And who wake us up? This present administration. This administration led by Governor Godwin Obaseki and in deputy, Honorable Philip Shaibu. They don't wake sports up again because they know wetin sports be for the world. They know say for a country or a state to be healthy, they need healthy men and women. And how we want to get healthy men and women? Now through sports. So that they go dey fit. Everybody go dey fit. So they see the importance of sports. Now make one of the things when they say they want do is to revive sports. And everybody they see them. You know they hide. Sports no they hide. We don't see the development when on this for sport, the improvement when on there for sports since this administration come back. Now the stadium we want to talk about. Now the sporting facilities when they across the states now we want to talk about. Have been at the athletes themselves when would they produce. In fact, where we want start from, this government don't really try where to bring sports back. And we want take back our position, the rightful position when be the first. Government won't do things when it be say, by the time you count 1, 2, 3 persons for sports for Nigeria, you go mention Edo State. We want to represent both the country for the national level, state level, and for the international level. We don't they go there. When I don't see what's in the happen for our stadium now a beehive of activities. Anytime when you come stadium, you not go no say na stadium maybe. Everywhere full, people dey there. International competitions they come, national competitions they come, state competition they come. A month or 2 months ago, we inaugurate Sports Association. And why government do that? They do that because with these sports associations, sports go come back. Now everybody go know say sports don't come back. So we don't inaugurate them so that they go assist government because government alone no go fit do them. So we inaugurate them. They go now go outside, get sponsors because we want partner too with private sectors to make sure say sports get the rightful place when it's supposed to get. Because government alone no go do am. Make we no lie about them. Government alone no go do am because to invest for sports na huge business and una know say nobody sports government they do. Nobody sports government own to the people. There are other sectors too. So because of that one, we dey partner with private sectors to make sure say wetin government say they want do for sports, they really achieve am. And again to make sure say even if after this administration go, any administration when they come, whether they like sports, they no like sports, so sports can thrive on its own. So a lot of things. This week alone now, how many activities we get for Samuel Ogbemundia Stadium? As I speak now, if you come to Samuel Ogbemundia Stadium, you go see a lot of activities. We just rounded up the AFN trials. And these AFN trials, they can't do competition so that they go fit get athletes when we go represent Nigeria for the Commonwealth Game for Budapest. Handball, kuku dey there too. They do their own Premier League tournament. Many activities they come. In August now, we go host Waffle Cup, Waffle B Cup, CAF competition. September, we go do Bessie Obaseki, our own mama, in competition when they do every year. We go do them again for September. By November this year, we dey plant our secondary school sports games. If they come back, we go do them again around that time. So activities full ground. HOS Cup is coming back. In fact, as we speak now, all the ministries are gearing up. They do practice. Here I get letter where they ask me, say, from the sports commission, make I come give them ambulance. When go they follow them, they go training. Because the matter, it don't tie rapper. Everybody won't participate now for sport. So a lot of things they go on for sports. And we want to thank the state government because they don't try well for sports.
Make I ask you one question where we say, do people still they ask themselves? What be the duty of sports commission we don't have set up for Edo? What be their main duty and where do they cover and what do they do?
Sports commission, Edo State Sports Commission, are the umbrella when cover sports. Any sporting activities when they do for state, it dey for under Edo State Sports Commission. The mandate when governor give us be say, in 5 years we will get about 10,000 athletes. Why? Like I talked before, we no want the poach athletes. We want make it be say, before you count 1, 2, 3 for sports, you go count Edo State person. How you want do that one? Grassroots development. So you go back to the grassroots to catch these children young, develop them so that they go be your own. So one of the main thing when Edo State government say make sports commission do, now to catch these children, bring them out of the streets, make them know say they can create a life for themselves for sports. So that you go catch them young. They get a lot of talents when high though, when they don't know. A lot of athletes they there when it be say they don't know say they go fit do well for sports. So now our duty to bring them so that in the next 5 years we will get at least 10,000 athletes. And by the time we get all these athletes, crime go come up for the state. All these ones now to reduce and remove crime for this our Edo State. So one of our mandate now to catch them young, bring them, and then equally too, we want make people know say sports not be only for people when no go school. Sports no be for the less privileged in the society. Sports no be for people when no get head. But people when go school fit becomes what? Like our sports commission chairman now sportsman he be. And you see, he go school. So we want marry sports and education. That is why we dey partner with the Ministry of Education to bring back sports into the school curricula. As we speak now, sports don't come back for sports curricula. E don dey there. They get 2 hours every week when they take do sports. And we won't even make them to the extent when it be say, they go dey score them for school. So that not be say, children go just come in the morning, they go just run around, play because they want play. No, it go be part of their school. They go write exams. And then we dey plan in such a way that even after your secondary school to the university, we go fit give scholarship, if possible, to children when they do sports to go university. So that we all know say sports, lifespan of a sportsman is very short. So after your sporting career, what next? It's only when you are educated. If you can either be educated or you fit get a handwork when you dey do. You fit go learn hairdressing, you fit go learn sewing, you fit go learn anything, but combine am with your sport so that when you don't finish as a sportsman or woman, you go get something when you go fall back to. Una don dey hear plenty story where people go say, I served my fatherland, I served my country, I did this, I did that, now they don't abandon me. But if they were able to say they fit combine them with their education or combine them with any talent when God give them, if I find out say after their sporting career, they still get something when they go fall back to, when they go fit still help themselves and help the society when they give to.
You don't hear well. We go ask you another question when it be say election, FA election where they come up. With the yes or who online, I will not say some of these things where they post online. Majority of them not be the correct story. With the yes, say you they stop them, say maybe they know your choice or the commission choice or whatever for the FA election. And those things not be waiting, be say we go here, we go keep quiet, we not go ask question. We say make you chook man gidigba for the matter. How you know about that reach for the FA election where they come up for Edo State?
FA and sports commission no be the same because sports commission different, FA different. So the FA people now then go fit answer their own question. Me na sports commissioner, then na sports commission affairs now what they talk about.
Where would they say games points for this stadium? How many day this stadium? Because we go carry waka pass around and make we be say Edo people know say not just to go play football and so that place be many things they hear.
Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium no be just stadium, na sports complex. And why we call it sports complex? No be only football. The tennis courts dey there, handball courts dey there, swimming pool dey there. We have now waveless swimming pool. Nice Obaseki regime give us one of the best for the world. E dey for the stadium. We get the best gymnasium for the whole of West Africa. E dey there. Track and field, e dey there. badminton e dey stadium. So the stadium no be just stadium e be, na sports complex. It's not just for football only. We get other sports when we dey do here. I don name so many of them. If you go round yourself, you go see. And if you go round now, you go see children, you go see people when they train, they prepare themselves in case any competition come around. So no be just stadium alone, na sports complex, because not only football we dey do for the stadium, we dey do all other activities. Tennis court, we dey bring back our Ogbe hard court. Everybody know our Ogbe hard court. We dey bring am. If you look now behind you, you go see our tennis court. 2 tennis court now we get for the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium here. We get the indoor sports hall. We get our judo day here, wrestling day here, boxing day here. All of them dey here. Now full complex with full complement now we get for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium.
So, madam, wetin be the vision una get for ground towards or ahead or within the Sports Commission arena and within the system?
I don tell una before, our vision na to position Edo State as the #1 sporting destination for sports for Edo. By the time when you go round and round and round and round the whole country, you go come back to Edo State. Na be our vision, to position Edo State as the foremost sporting destination in Nigeria. That's our vision. And our mission to attain excellence and positively impact. Positively, we will impact the lives of our children, the lives of our youth, so that we go remove them from streets, remove them from social vices, remove them from not evil when go distort their future. So our mission statement is to attain excellence and positively impact the lives of the Edo people through sports participation, development, and business. We will also bring business. Like I tell you before, we dey partner with private sectors. We dey bring in private partnership so that private partners and government go collaborate together to make sure say the economy of Edo State e grow.
Madam, thank you very much. If I say make I go further, many things they will do for this stadium today. And I go want make you advise our youth for the state on how they will concentrate, partly for this sport matter, before we round off from here.
So what we want to tell our children is say, we know our youth especially, we know say they get talents. And then many of them too, people they deceive them. So when people deceive them like that, they no go really get the potentials of what God don't give them. And I make this sports commission, Governor Gwedwin Obaseki and in deputy, Right Honorable Philip Shago, set them up. So that these youths and these children, they go get direction. We get 2 football club for Edo State. When the state they run, Bendel Insurance and Edo Queens. All those ones now to take the youths out of the street, to make them know say they can do something with their life. So may they come join us. Every morning, if you come stadium here, activity is full. Coaches are there when they train these children to develop that talent in them so that they go come out hand for bad thing. Bad thing no good. We see as all these bad thing they destroy our youth. They destroy their future. Our youths are the leaders of tomorrow. And unless we get on right with them, it go difficult for our country. So we dey beg them. Those of them when feel say they get talents, may they come. May they not go meet any agent when go sit down there say, don't worry, I go carry you go London. No worry, I go carry you go Spain. No worry, I go carry you go Italy. All of that's not lie. Come join us. Like I talked before, insurance dey there, Edo Queens dey there, tennis dey there, handball dey there. All the sports, plenty. We get about 37 sports for this Ogbe Stadium. 37 of it, we don't inaugurate association. We dey go local government now, so that we go start from the local government. So that from the local government, when we catch them from the local government, we go bring them come the state. From the state here, they go move. They go national. From national too, they go move. They go international. So make all of them come. We dey here, we dey gidigba, we dey wait for them, we go assist them.
Now we don't tanda gidigba with Madam Sabina Chikere since we be the permanent secretary for Sports Commission. She don't took my past the area we become ask a question for. She took my proof for the whole level for this Ogbe Stadium matter, for the state matter, for sports matter. The way governor and the deputy put body gidigba for sports matter will be said today. Majority of our youth will be said that they use their time and their life till they do rubbish. They don't face sports. They don't begin put body for sport matter. And we say make we begin they tell those people say not be the way that they look at from outside and so it be. This one not be like the stadium where we say some people go build for some state when it be say activities not the day. We don't enter here today. We see say so many activities that take place for this place. And not be the only thing, don't be the only information what they get for outside. If we not work come here, we not say that so Ogbe Stadium matter be. We say make we salute those people, make we understand what they happen here. My name still remain Nosa Ege, TMC TV.